Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. I welcome you in the session of class 4, subject English speaking. And today's topic is importance of examination. And this is our lecture 1. So dear students, in this particular lecture, I will tell you that how you will give your views on the topic importance of examination. As you have to give your views in the online classes, so dear students, listen carefully that how you can add few more points while speaking on this particular topic, importance of examination. So let us proceed. So the contents which I am going to take in this lecture are, first of all, I will tell you what is examination, and then I'll let you know the importance of exam. So let's start with the definition of examination. So examination is an assessment aimed on measuring skills, aptitude or knowledge. Exams are essential tool of learning. So where you came to know that examinations are basically the assessments in which the teacher can measure with the help of the skills. The teacher will measure your aptitude, your knowledge, and examinations are the essential tool of learning. So to continue with the learning process, examinations must be there. I hope you understood that what is examination. Now let's proceed with the importance of examination. So exams are a motivator to learn more. Actually, exams motivate the students to learn more. Exams make a student logical and critical thinker. Due to exams only, the student think logically and critically. So, it is the step where basically the student learn more and more. And this is the important step in the field of education. Now, the next point. Examination encourages healthy competition. Due to examination, there is healthy competition between the students. They learn more and more to compete, or you can say to score good marks or good grades. Examination instills discipline. Due to examination, discipline also develops in the student. There is a fear that if they do something wrong or say they indiscipline, then they are not allowed to sit in the exam. So they focus on this particular thing. And from examination only, time management is learned by the students. They make a proper timetable to learn more things so that they can manage the things and they came to know the good things. After that, I am going to tell you that examination is only the way where the student self-analyze of its own skill. Self-analysis of own skills is done due to examination. So these are the few points which you can add while giving your views. There are few more points which I am going to tell you. Examination also tells you about the achievements, and that's why you learn new things, you encourage yourself, and you manage your time. So all the points which I have discussed right now, all are interrelated, and that's why it is important for the examination. Now, let me ask you a question. After discussing this thing, here a question arises. And what is the question? Does an examination important? क्या examination important है? Yes, obviously it is important. Even you student also say that it is important. Why it is important? Because it is the part of growth. After examination, you came to know that how much growth you have. It develops a feeling of responsibility. Through examination, feeling of responsibility develops. So dear students, I hope you listen very carefully which I discussed right now. The points which I have discussed right now, you had listened very carefully, and you have to give your views in the online classes. So get ready in the online classes to give your views on the same topic, importance of examination. As you very well know that your exams are also approaching, so please give your views in the class. I am waiting for you in the class. Thank you. Have a good day.